Casuarina is an invasive pine tree. It grows mainly on the outskirts of the island. To some degree, Casuarina is bad because wherever it grows, anything else that's in its path will just die away. Now, the thing about it is CSD is using those trees for furniture. That's really important here at the island school. And presently at the grad hall, everything that should be in there in terms of furniture will be built out of Casuarina. So we would go out into the forest. We select a particular size Casuarina because every size will not suit our purpose. After doing that, we'll have it cut down with a chainsaw. We'll have to take it either up with a crane truck, or we cut it into the lengths that we would need and bring it back on campus. We have a milling system here that we will send and we will mill the Casuarina through. It's being taken into the workshop, and where we plane it and we start cutting it for the specific reason what we would want it for. After that is done, we continue joining it and prepping it to build the beds that we need. We'll then have it painted, protect the wood, and the next thing will be put it in place where it needs to be used for, which would be the grad hall.